Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, I'm smoking on this weed.
What's up, y'all? We in Pop Shelf shopping. Me, Megan, and Juicy. We found some really cute stuff. Megan found a glass French press. She loves tea, and a tea stainless steel kettle thing mug to drink it out of in the morning, and that's really cute too. I'm seeing a lot of stuff. I'm gonna add some videos of the store, but yeah, we just out kicking it. I love the home section. These are super cute. A multi-roaster. Oh, a 2-tier server. I know I'm getting old because I'm excited about that. Compact cutlery organizer. That's cute. Yes. Uh-oh. I'm so sick of her in this iPad, y'all. Let me fix it. Okay, y'all, I know I gotta do a cart update. I needed some Tupperware from the house and $5 for 46 pieces and a 7-piece food storage set. Can't beat that. My sister got some straws, French press, a Chinese soda, I think. And we both got matching tumblers and her tea tumbler. Okay, we have reached my favorite section, the snacks. I have to try these tapaki. I always see people eating the tapaki, and it looks really good. So yeah, me and my girls, we're just picking out some snacks. That's why you can't bring kids shopping with you, because you couldn't wait till the trip was over. We finna go get baked potatoes. One for each hand. It's just storage stuff over here. I'm really looking for makeup storage, but I don't see anything. I want like some clear organizers. What's that, man? Who that's by? Hold it up, let me see. Oh, it's for cats. Fresh Steps. Okay. Nigga, shut up. Everything is so neat in here. Oh my God, they got Cozy Place. They got Cozy Place, y'all. The brand that I found at the dollar store. And I just walked up on what I came into the store for, and that is makeup organizers. So I want to see what they have, and if it's gonna be anything I can put on my bed. So let's see. I decided to go with this one for now, and I don't really see any makeup brush holding stuff, so let's keep going, my sister say. This is cute though, Megan. What? Nah, it's the same thing. Yeah. Oh, let's look on this side, man. Do I have who? Claw clips? Some, but they're not like those claw clips. Like they're like claws that you stick it into your hair and it clamp down like this. Okay. They got these too, y'all, but I don't think this is what I want. I don't want to risk anything. I'll get some off Amazon. What? think the family approved. I don't think they know about that. So let the estate be a certain note. And this is what they doing for weekend nine. I'm pretty much done now, y'all. I'm just looking. Ooh, that's cute. Just looking, y'all. Moon cheese. Tiffany be eating it. Y'all know Tiffany plates? The mustard lady. Cheese, the moon cheese. Okay, well, that was my trip to Five Below. We'll see where else we're gonna go, y'all. I mean, to Pop Show, we may go to Five Below. We might need to go to Five Below. Ooh. Nice. A piece of stone. Ooh. This is a nice store. Yes, ma'am. I love the beauty section in Five Below. Yeah, I just got this shirt from Goodwill. That's so crazy. Megan, a shirt I got from Goodwill in here, but it was on Shein. This is cute. I do want one thing out of here. I lied. I'm getting a bog bag. I think. These are cute. Ooh. I don't know, guys. Should I? What do y'all think? Ooh. Here we go. No, here we go. The 6-compartment multi-use organizer. Ooh, yes. I think this gonna be the one, y'all. I really think this is gonna be the one. What do you think? My cousin loves stuff like this, and I'm getting this for her. Is this paper soap? Yeah, it is. I'm getting this for my cousin. She loves stuff like this for her little purse. I'm talking about for her little purse. Ooh, ooh. Give me it. Mop, 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 mop. What you think, Juicy?
She's smiling. I think she like it.
Okay. These are cute. If I didn't already have a mirror, I probably would be interested. But I'm not. I wish my best friend was here. She loves stuff like this. Stuff is cute. Look at that purse. I like those. Too. Don't let her convince you to be crazy, baby. All right, y'all, that concludes our trip in Five Below. We're gonna get up out this thing and get on to getting us something to eat and back to the house. See y'all later.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed.